Hello friends, today I am going to represent computer operator important question from ASCII code. Question number 1. ASCII stand for option A. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Option B. American Standard Code for Interchange Information. Option C. American Scientist Council for Information Image. Option D. All Standard Code for Information Interchange. The right answer is option A. American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Question number 2. What is the ASCII code of capital C? Option A 67, option B 78, option C 85, option D 49. The right answer is 67. Question number 3. What is the ASCII code for lowercase a? Option A 67, option B 97, option C 85 and option D 49. The right answer is option B 97. ASCII code tips and tricks. ASCII code of capital letter or caps or uppercase from A to Z is number 65 to 90. For example, ASCII code of capital letter A is 65, and so ASCII code of capital letter B is 66, and ASCII code of C is 67, and so continuously ASCII code of Y is 89, and at least ASCII code of Z is 90. ASCII code of a small letter or lowercase from A to Z is number 97 to 122. For example, ASCII code of a small letter A is 97, ASCII code of a small letter B is 98, and ASCII code of small letter C is 99, and so continuously ASCII code of Y is 121, and at least ASCII code of Z, a small letter Z, is 122. The ASCII code for natural number 0 to 9 is from number 48 to 57. For example, 0. ASCII code of 0 is 48, ASCII code of 1 is 49, and ASCII code of 2 is 50, and so on continuously. ASCII code of 8 is 56, and at least ASCII code of 9 is 57. ASCII code for program hexadecimal from capital letter A. ASCII code of capital letter A is 41H, ASCII code of capital letter B 42H. H means hexadecimal. ASCII code of C is 43H, ASCII code of D is 44H, ASCII code of E is 45H, ASCII code of F 46H, ASCII code of G 47H, ASCII code of H 48H, ASCII code of I 49H, ASCII code of J 4A, ASCII code of K 4B, ASCII code of L 4C, ASCII code of M 4D, ASCII code of N 4E, ASCII code of O 4F, also ASCII code of P 50, and ASCII code of Q 51, and ASCII code of R 52, and ASCII code of S 53, and ASCII code of T 54, and ASCII code of U 55, and ASCII code of V 56, and ASCII code of W 57, and ASCII code of X 58, and ASCII code of Y 59, and ASCII code of Z. At least ASCII code of Z is 5A. For more details, like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.